How to private your photos here safely here on Timo Club. So have you ever wanted to like post here on Timo Club and want to private your photo right here? As you can see right now, here's my photo right there. Now if I say wait, yeah, how can I private this? I've been clicking on that and then finding everywhere. There's no option for me to like private it. Yes, because you haven't fully verified it. If you want, you can watch our video here on got a glimpse on how to verify it. Once you verify it, you can now easily what do you call this, make it, what do you call this, make it so it's in my mind, you can make it, what do you call this, private. So here, even if you check on the settings, there we go, privacy this. If you want, you can just hide wall visibility right there. There you go. Hide my green display, hide belt level. You can do those right there, but overall you can't do it unless you're fully verified. So once you're fully verified, you can now be like you can now treat this like a Facebook or something like that, private everything. So yeah, there you go, that's how you do it. If you want, you can watch some of our videos here on guide glimpse on how to use Timo Club, or there's a lot of videos right here. So just watching some, and if it will help if you can just click on the link on the description down below, because it will really help the channel out. If you click that, it'll be a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, and it will cost you nothing. So yeah, there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, leave it down in the comments below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. There you guys, and thank you guys.